We are going to cook lunch. Come with me, guys. Let's go buy stuff. Just wait. No. So this is our village. So we are going to buy fish. Let's see how much. But the guy is not here.
얼마 공부 같이 파나 나 뭐하지?
Been wasting time. I stayed up all night, drinking my weight in pints. I think I might be going insane, like I need a shrink. I think I'm gonna clean today. Sunday cleaning, it feels so good to get rid of this junk. A new beginning. I found my purpose with my vacuum on, a higher meaning.
That's 32,000. Okay, I get my tomato. Two 500. Come and pick what you want. Yeah, these are very small. I don't even see that. It's 200 to 100. Hey, bring peppers. Okay. Then make us each.
One.
I'm going to get garlic. So these are the ingredients we have in our village. It's 100, 100. Then I don't know if you people have Reiko, but actually, salad had coins. So this a small box of milk. So I'm getting ready to cook. I'm a bit late, guys. Are you hungry? Papa? I like putting lemon in fish. You can tell me, guys, how did you learn how to cook? How? In Luganda. Nyamshuma. Manyamshuma ni Kiswahili au ni Kinyarwanda? Inodiji. Kinyarwanda. Nyamshuma in Swahili. But how they call it in English? It's not my first language, guys. How do you call this? Add salt. When I was young, I never used to like cooking at all. My mom used to make me cook every freaking day. Ma ojukirango mfumbisa bulikanangu. Ojukirango ngamba mfumbe bulikanangu. Ojukira. I'm trying to tell my mom. I'm asking if she remembers when she used to tell me to cook every day. Sometimes I'll act like I'm sick because I was tired. Chitegede ngami nali nefula nilikuwa najifanya saa mgonjwa siku moja moja, kwa nataka nipike kila siku kutoka kwa masomo nenda nimva kusomero mwana koro kodi naliko anti kati gobyo isemu sibye tulino kuyitamu. I'm trying to remind her how she used to want me to cook every day guys. And she's telling me, yes, but I did the same thing. I'm like, no, what you went through is not what I am supposed to go through. Like, your traumas, African parents, please don't come for me. But your traumas should not be our traumas. Can you try and change the dynamics of life, guys? Sometimes I used to act sick. I was tired. I even developed a feeling of hating to cook. But it's not like I do not really know how to cook. I know. And my food tastes good. I like it when I cook at my own will. Why?
I don't know.
And that's like first me so like Ghana.
Yeah, Ghana, when I take it that I don't know, get that fly.
She has a problem with her phone. So she was saying her phone refused to go like clock live. So I told her she'll bring it so that we see. Because how can a phone refuse to go live, guys? Like, that's not acceptable. We looking like, but we're getting better. I'll show you guys my skincare. I did my lashes today, guys. We are going to check on they. Let's see. Feel free, guys, to let me know on how I can improve my cooking skills, you know, in the comment section, please. I may be cooking differently from you. My recipe may be a bit better than yours, or yours might be actually much better. So I'm free to advise this because I love learning. So you can tell me how you prepare your fish, guys. So let's see how it's looking like because I'm hungry. And it's already dinner time. Time check. Preheat a little bit of my gravy is ready. Let's start, guys. It actually looks really good. Like, you see that? So these are yellow bananas. This is sweet potato. This is rice. I have the fish and some avocado. Let's test and see. Let's start with what? Let's see. Bismillah. That's really nice. Let me try the sweet potato. Bon appetit. It's really nice. Let me test the fish. If you've not eaten, you better get yourself a plate of food or some snacks. Alright, guys, I'm going to enjoy my food. Hope you are able to get something to eat as well. Right, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time, bye.